Welcome back to Car Route 360, your ultimate stop for the world's most stunning rides. Today, we're diving into something truly special, the 2026 Chevrolet Nomad Restomod. A car that blends classic 1950s heritage with cutting-edge modern upgrades, making it a dream for collectors and enthusiasts alike. At first glance, the 2026 Nomad Restomod instantly grabs your attention with its low-slung stance and flawless proportions. The deep metallic blue paint paired with a crisp white roof makes it pop under the sunlight, while every chrome detail, from the massive front bumper to the sleek side trims, reminds you of the golden era of American motoring. Those oversized polished alloy wheels add a modern performance vibe, sitting perfectly under the lowered suspension for that aggressive yet elegant presence. Moving to the front, you can't miss the wide Chevrolet grille that's been reimagined but still keeps its nostalgic character. The headlights are retro-styled, but fitted with advanced LED technology to give you crystal-clear visibility at night. The aerodynamics have also been refined, allowing this classic silhouette to cruise with the confidence of a 21st-century machine. But the magic of the 2026 Chevrolet Nomad Restomod doesn't stop on the outside. Step inside, and you'll find a cabin that fuses timeless design with premium luxury. The dashboard pays homage to the original Nomad, but everything from the digital driver display to the touchscreen infotainment system reminds you that this is a modern masterpiece. Upholstered in hand-stitched leather with aluminum accents and ambient LED lighting, the interior is a statement of craftsmanship and innovation. Comfort meets nostalgia in the best possible way. Under the hood, things get even more exciting. This Restomod isn't just about looks, it's about performance. Powered by a modernized V8 engine delivering jaw-dropping horsepower, the 2026 Nomad Restomod can easily keep up with today's muscle cars. With an updated suspension setup, disc brakes on all four wheels, and advanced stability systems, it handles like a sports car while keeping that classic road presence. This car is more than a revival. It's a rolling piece of history reborn for the future. The 2026 Chevrolet Nomad Restomod proves that legends never die, they evolve. It's bold, it's stylish, and it's built to turn heads wherever it goes. If you love classic cars reimagined for modern roads, make sure to subscribe to Car Route 360 for more incredible machines like this one. Because here, we don't just talk about cars, we celebrate them.